Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Sulhanur Rizko Wahyudi with number 2101020009 and my friend Muhammad Fikrul Hadi with number 2101020012. We will tell you about a tangible and intangible asset. Fixed asset. Fixed assets are tangible and long-term assets owned by the company and used in the normal operation of the company, such as equipment, building, and land. The initial cost of fixed asset includes the entire amount incurred to get the asset ready for use. Revenue expense include regular repair and maintenance. Capital expenditure include asset value enhancement and extraordinary repair. Next. Asset depreciation. All fixed assets, except land, will lose their ability to provide service and must be depreciated over time. Three factors are considered in determining the initial depreciation of property, plant, and equipment, the useful life of the asset, and the salvage value of the asset. Depreciation can be determined using the straight line method, the unit of production method, and the double declining balance method. Such change can affect the amount of depreciation in the future. Next. Depletion. Depletion is a method of asset depreciation due to a reduction in costs for the natural resource management process to be produced into raw material. The periodic depletion amount is calculated by multiplying the amount of mineral mined during a given period by depletion rate. The depletion rate is calculated by dividing the cost of the mineral content by the estimated amount. The journal entry to record the depletion is a debit to the depletion expense account and a credit to the accumulated depletion account. Next. Journal of Fixed Asset Disposal section. When recording the disposal of property, plant, and equipment, depreciation for the period must be recorded and the book value of the asset is removed from the account. When a property, plant, and equipment is sold, the book value is written off and the cash of other asset received is recorded. If the selling price is higher than the book value of the asset, then the transaction result in a profit on the asset. If the selling price is below the book value, then there is a loss. Next. Intangible asset. Intangible asset are assets that do not have a physical form. Long-term assets such as patent, copyright, trademark, and goodwill that are not accompanied by physical attributes, but are used in business and intangible asset. The initial cost of the intangible asset must be debit to the asset account. Next, my friend Muhammad Fikrul Hadi.
Okay, I will continue the material. Patent. Companies may obtain exclusive right to produce and sell goods with one or more unique features. This kind of right is called patent, which is issued by the government to the investor. This right is valid with a useful life of 20 years. The strike line method is usually used to determine patent amortization. Patent and copyright. cost must be amortized over the estimated useful life of the asset by debiting the expense account and crediting the intangible asset account. Copyright and trademark. The exclusive right to publish and sell written work, artistic material, or musical composition is granted in copyright. Copyright are used by the government and are extended for up to 50 years after the another death. Copyright is amortized over its useful life. A trademark is a name, term, or symbol used to identify and company and this product. Next, goodwill. Goodwill refers to an intangible asset belonging to a company that is generated by favorable factors such as location, product quality, reputation, and managerial expertise. Goodwill allow a company to generate return on investment that often exceeds the normal rate. Trademark and goodwill are not amortized but are impaired when impairment is impaired. Next, statement of profit or loss of fixed asset and intangible asset. The amount of the depreciation expense and the method used in calculating depreciation must be disclosed in the financial statement. In addition, a major class of property, plant and equipment must be disclosed together with the associated accumulated depreciation. Intangible assets are usually presented in the statement of financial position in a separate section after property. Plant and equipment, each major class of intangible asset must be disclosed and net amount after decluttering the less amortization.
It's all from us. We are sorry if there are error. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sorry lah. Go for up to 50 apa 50. Jangan lupa tombol kering dan
Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.